The System 3R Macro Magnum 3R-680.24-S compatible manual chuck low profile is designed for seamless integration with machine spindles or tables, offering a robust and reliable work-holding solution perfect for any machining setup. Weighing just 5 kilograms, this manual chuck is easy to install and maneuver, making it a valuable addition to your workshop. One of its standout features is the fixed index positions at 490, allowing you to position your workpiece accurately for different angles. This provides the flexibility needed for complex machining tasks. Additionally, the required drawbar for this chuck is the 3R-680.24-S, ensuring compatibility and smooth integration with your existing system, ideal for a variety of machining applications, from precision engineering to high-volume production. Its low-profile design offers better access to the workpiece and maximizes the available machining area. Whether working on detailed, delicate parts or larger components, this chuck provides the stability and accuracy needed. The System 3R Macro Magnum 3R-680.24-S compatible manual chuck low profile is a versatile and reliable work-holding solution. Its fixed index positions, low-profile design, and ease of installation make it invaluable for achieving precise and efficient results in machining operations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss an update.